In the heart of Khorasan, saffron cultivation begins in small villages surrounded by vast landscapes. Before planting, the land is carefully prepared, plowed, and shaped into neat rows for saffron bulbs. Villagers, especially women, gently plant the saffron bulbs into the prepared soil, ensuring each one is placed carefully. After planting, the fields are carefully irrigated using traditional methods, keeping the soil moist for optimal growth. As autumn arrives, the saffron flowers begin to bloom, painting the fields in vibrant shades of purple. Women in traditional attire carefully harvest the saffron flowers, picking them by hand to preserve their delicate quality. The freshly picked flowers are collected in woven baskets, ready to be taken to homes for processing. At home, the saffron flowers are carefully separated to extract the precious red stigmas. The extracted red stigmas are then spread out to dry, preserving their aroma and vibrant color. Once dried, the saffron is carefully packaged in small containers, ready for sale and export.
Saffron is the most precious spice in the world.
It's worth more than gold.
The packaged saffron is then collected for transport, ready to reach markets around the world. Saffron, known as red gold, is highly valued for its unique flavor, aroma, and medicinal properties.
It's amazing how much is here.
I know, the quality looks incredible.
Saffron is used in a variety of traditional dishes, adding its unique color and aroma. Saffron is also enjoyed in desserts and drinks, bringing its golden hue and delicate aroma to sweet treats. Families in Khorasan celebrate the harvest, gathering to enjoy saffron-infused meals together.
I love the shonezar.
In the villages of Khorasan, saffron connects tradition, nature, and global appreciation in every thread of red.